Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to do general reset in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. First of all, go to settings of your phone. Go to settings here. Then go to system. Then go to reset options. And here select reset all settings. And click on reset all settings here. It will ask your pattern for confirmation. Give it and click on all settings and it will be restoring. Your phone will be restoring to default settings. Okay, your phone will be switching off for resetting this. And turn on your phone. Okay, so in this way you can easily do general reset in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.